Where are we going?
To Anakiwa.
What are we going to do in Anakiwa though?
What are you going to do?
Where are you going?
What are you going to do?
to ask Laura to marry me.
Oh my goodness!
Just got paid, we took a train to Pitlochry. Cut our feet on glass that scattered like confetti. Just turned 22, so why is it I still feel like a kid? Well, look at you, diving in to get it over with. And you said, listen, let's try something different, like cold water swimming. Let's leave town, we'll take a train, get a bottle of something to keep us warm when we get out, and we'll laugh like lovers and kiss like friends. The water's clear, you're getting in. You sat listening to the rain on the window, stayed up shivering, sharing my pillow. And I'm 22, my God, you make me feel just like a kid. I'm still in love with you, but telling you's just too much of a risk. And you said, listen, let's try something different, like cold water swimming. Let's leave town, we'll take a train, get a bottle of something to keep us warm when we get out, and we'll laugh like lovers and kiss like friends. The water's clear, you're getting in.
Laura, when I think about spending the rest of my life with you, I'm thinking about how much you smile when Willow greets you at the door when you get home from work. I'm thinking about the joy in your eyes when you cook us something new and you change the recipe to make it better, to make it more you. I'm thinking about the way you love me tucking you in and how you trap me for cuddles before you sleep. A trap I will always throw myself willingly into. About sitting out on the deck, just 2 seats and looking at the stars. About picking berries and dancing by the fire on Christmas Eve. Love is found in the little moments. The timeless, the forgettable, and the unforgettable. And I want to fill the rest of my life with those moments too. With you.
And we laugh like lovers and kiss like